we've seen the Kashmir that nobody shows us.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Wish you all a very happy new year. This video is about the most scenic drive in Kashmir. It's about driving on Mughal Road. On the last day when we had to drive back to Delhi, we found out that the Kazigund tunnel was closed for 2 days and the only alternate route was Mughal Road. The interesting part is Google Maps doesn't show the right way even to approach the Mughal Road, and we took help from locals to draw the directions on paper.
पहुंच के आपको मगर
Mughal Road is the road between Shopian district and Bufliaz, a town in Poonch district. The 84-kilometer road traces a historic route used in the Mughal period. Construction completed in August 2012 and the road connects Poonch and Rajouri to Srinagar in Kashmir Valley, reducing the distance from 588 km to 126 km. Carry food as you won't find food on the road. Also no washrooms till kilometer 20, which is army checkpost.
This is Kashmir. It offers the most scenic views of untouched natural beauty with sun, waterfalls, snow and clouds en route. We haven't driven on a more scenic road anywhere else in the world.
nobody shows us. We took to the usual NH44 highway, but we understood that the tunnel is closed and we were supposed to take a detour which is definitely longer. But look at the view. Look at that road and that head lens.
We reached the other end Rajouri around 3 in the afternoon and stopped for food. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Have a happy, healthy and prosperous new year. See you all next week.